Bon!
What's the problem, Gert? Can't you see I'm trying to relax here?
But Bon, I've seen a ghost.
Oh, Gert, we all know that ghosts aren't real.
But it's right over there.
Oh, Gert, that's just gas steam.
Gas? The stinky stuff that comes out of humans?
Not that kind of gas. Gas as in state of matter gas.
State of matter? What?
Yes, it's called matter. Everything that we can feel and anything that takes up space is matter.
So I matter? Your matter? Even that ghost is matter?
Yes, we are all made of tiny particles called molecules.
Ooh, fascinating.
In fact, that's one of the kinetic molecular theory principles.
Kinetic Molecular Theory. Fancy word.
The Kinetic Molecular Theory, or KMT, states that all matter is made of molecules.
It also states that there is empty space between those small particles.
And those particles are always moving. Just depends on what state they're in.
Oh, is that why my ghost friend is looking weirder than me?
Yes. Your ghost friend is gas and you're a liquid.
Then what are you?
I'm a solid.
What? I'm starting to get confused.
I'm a solid because my molecules are tight and they vibrate. That's why I can jump and roll without breaking that easily.
Oh, and I'm a liquid because my molecules are farther apart and they slide past each other. That's why I'm drippy and I don't hold up my shape.
That's right. And your ghost friend is gas, so his molecules are very far apart and they move quickly. That's why he moves freely in all sorts of shapes.
Oh, you forgot one last principle in the KMT bond. The one where it says that energy makes particles move.
Yes. The last principle of the KMT is that the more energy the particles have, the faster and farther apart they spread.
Oh,
Take a good look at our friend Walter the Water.
sup? Hey, Walter.
If you heat water up to 100 degrees Celsius, his molecules start moving faster and reaches a boiling point. There, steam clouds start forming because his liquid is turning into gas.
Oh, and that's called evaporation, right?
Precisely.
And if we put him in the freezer with a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius, he reaches the freezing point, allowing his molecules to slow down, and he starts to turn into a solid.
Exactly. That change is called freezing. After a short time, Walter becomes Walter the Ice Cube.
Sup?
And if we just leave him out on the table, Walter will start to melt because it's hotter outside than in the fridge.
So from a solid, he'll become a liquid.
Correct.
Then, what do you call the change happening when gas becomes a liquid?
Good question. That's called condensation. It's what happens to your cold can of soda when you leave it out on a hot summer day. The water droplets start to form around the can.
Oh, and don't forget sublimation.
Yes, from solid to gas, like dry ice.
Mmm, delicious dry ice cream.
And lastly, there's deposition. Do you remember what happened to the leaves when it was early winter?
Oh yeah, you mean the frost that formed around the leaves?
Exactly. That's when the cold winter breeze turned into frost.
Oh, it's lunchtime. Want to tell Mr. Sekulovich all about matter?
Sure, let's go. Matter matters.